Hi, I'm Kevin Buddy, president of Monarch Coast Financial. Every day I receive calls from homeowners or realtors asking me about the forbearance program. How does it affect someone's credit and how does it affect the economy? And I'd like to explain. The forbearance for 90 days is a deferral of the mortgage payment. It's not a forgiveness program, it's just a deferral. And the loan servicers are requesting at the end of 90 days that the entire missed payment dollar amount be paid at that time. If the homeowner is unable to make up those three payments at that time, then the loan servicer is allowed to do a loan modification. Mr. Cooper, the largest non-bank servicer in the United States, has 4 million customers, and already they have 86,000 loans in forbearance. And every given day, they receive anywhere from 8,000 to 22,000 calls asking for forbearance. Now, when the borrower doesn't make their monthly payment, the loan servicer is still required to pass those payments along to the bond holder. And that's a problem because loan servicers do not keep that kind of capital available on a large scale basis. It's now anticipated at the end of 90 days, the amount of money that is not being paid by the borrower but yet needs to be passed through to the bondholder is going to be anywhere from $40 billion to $100 billion. Now, the CARES Act, which was signed into law on March 28th, initially allowed for non-bank servicers to receive some kind of bailout that allowed them to have funds available so that this could continue the flow of money. However, in the final act, that provision was not available. So this has caused a major problem in the non-bank servicing world and has created a pullback on many loan programs. The non-QM loans were the first to fall, and now jumbo loans have disappeared. So if you're a non-bank, a mortgage banker, or a mortgage broker, for the most part, you are limited to the national loan limit of Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac, which is $765,600 in the high-cost areas. Now, banks still offer jumbo loans because they can put those on their balance sheets. However, not all banks are equal in that regard. As an example, Wells Fargo Bank, one of the largest banks, has a limit on how much they can put on their balance sheet because the feds put that limit in place in 2018 as part of the settlement for the fake account scandal. And they have already, Wells Fargo has pulled back on what they're able to do. First of all, they stopped buying loans from mortgage bankers, and that's why mortgage bankers are limited to the Fannie Mae Freddie Mac loan limit. Also, even their own customers they've had to curtail. And if you want to refinance a jumbo loan at Wells Fargo because you're one of their customers, you have to have $250,000 liquid capital in the bank. At this time, this is creating a hardship. There's nothing being done about it, but there are discussions between senators and the White House on trying to get non-bank servicers some kind of funds to help relieve this problem. In the meantime, the lack of jumbo money is going to curtail lending in the United States and have more of an effect in the high cost areas. Should you have any questions or want to discuss with me further, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.